we got our hands on something so freaking cool. So cool, you guys. It's crazy. So I was on TikTok and I entered HTVRONT giveaway and I actually won. God be blessing me, baby. He be blessing me. So we won. We won the HTVRONT hat press. Yes, the hat press. And I know you guys have seen it. I know you guys probably think about it. If you're a crafter, you're thinking about it, right? Like, let's be real. I know you look like, oh, should I try it out? If you're new to crafting, you want to try this out, should I buy a hat press? And I'm here to help you guys. So today we'll be doing an unboxing video of the HTVRONT hat press. And in our next video, after I buy some hats, because I didn't think I was going to win, and they like shipped it the next day. After we buy some hats, we're going to test it out with you guys to make sure everything looks great and is amazing. Okay, you guys? So the box came from DHL. Woo. So this is the box right here. We're going to unbox it together. Who don't like a good unboxing? I know I do. And that's really what we're going to do today. So I hope you guys make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss the testing out video and actually reviewing this machine to let you guys know if it's worth the price, if it's worth waiting, is it worth ordering, doing a pre-sale, is it worth it? But before we even talk about going to something else, make sure you guys check out the website. So we got the Anti-Social Mom Club on because I feel like anti-social today. And they got a back design, back design, back design. Big old back. Play too much. And a SpongeBob bunny on because I feel relaxed on this good old Sunday. So let's go ahead and get ready with today's video. Let's go. You guys, so it's time to unbox. Look at this beauty. The HTVRONT hat press. Alright, so you may hear my kids in the background because they out there playing kitchen today. The grandma got them a kitchen set. We got our little knife right here, box cutter. The box is very light. It's not heavy or anything. So that's always like a plus. Boom. Go ahead and put this up to the side. I can't leave it out because of my kids. Now, HTVRONT, I always like their packaging because their stuff always come very nice, simple. So this is the top part. I wish I would open it from the bottom part because that means I gotta flip it out, but whatever. So we're gonna try to go nice and slow or do like a, oh, just do a drop. Okay, hold on. So we got something coming around, okay. Okay, that wasn't so bad. Y'all know me, I usually struggle. Go ahead and toss it to the side so my husband can take out my trash later on. Here we go, HTVRONT hat heat press. This is the handheld hat press. So, like, their packaging is cute. Their branding is always top tier. I love that they know how to brand their stuff. So, very nice. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. Go ahead and cut this part off. Tell you the input, what to plug it in. I'm about to say, why I just put a box cutter? I be saying I'm putting it up. I be hiding it from my own self. All right, we'll just leave it there. I don't want to forget that I left it there though. Okay, there we go. That tape is good on here. Y'all know me in my unboxings. I be struggling a little bit. God, y'all, they put the nice little tape. All right, let me just cut this part too. Okay, there we go. Think smarter, not harder. Okay. So we have a menu right here. Everything usually comes with a menu. Okay. Just toss it. Usually I keep my boxes when I buy things. I didn't buy it, so I know, like, you know, you used to keeping a box, right? Okay, so what is this? Okay, you have a bag that comes with here. Like velvet, very soft. So you got a little drawstring bag or duster to put, I guess, to put it in. That's cute. It reminds me of like when you first get your Cricut machine and they give you that little brown bag to test it out. Oh, that bag was trash. But this is actually more a little high quality. No shade, no shade. So we're going to go ahead and place this right here. Pretty, pretty. What else now? So this is the ironing mat. Okay. I guess this is what you place it on to iron on. So it's the HTVRONT ironing mat. Made of polyester and cotton, high temperature sponge. So this is what you press it on to basically hold the hat, I believe. This is my first time having a handheld one. You guys know I'm usually machines. All right. Ooh, what was that? The beauty, the beauty. Let's go ahead and move this out the way. I believe that's it. Just to be sure, let's go ahead and just. Okay, that's it. So we can move the box out of the way. Ooh, this is what you came for, baby. Right? So it comes in this little case. Pretty. So like I said, this was one that I won on TikTok as a giveaway. So I didn't pick a color or anything. So it got, okay, it got little buttons on the side that you clip open. Boom. We're going to place it down so we can see. Wait, y'all. Okay, clip and let it go. This is cute. Come with some bubble wrap up there. It's cute. Feel like plastic, high quality plastic. And this right here is your hat press. So, oh, this right here is also like the container, but it's also what you will have your hat press on when it's getting hot. So it has the holes in here. Okay, and the cord is right here. It's funny because I was looking for a cord, like, where is the cord? Let's go ahead and take this off, because I'm about to say this is what's holding it all together. Oh, this color is pretty. See, one thing about them, they be having some pretty freaking colors because the color is so pretty. Like, look at that blue. Like, it's like a teal blue greenish. So it looks like we have a power button. We have a settings, plus and negative, I guess, to increase your power. And it looks like it have a string, so it might tell us like on the string versus, you know, just guessing that it's high. Okay. All right, so we unboxed it. This is all it comes with. All right, you guys, so we unboxed the HTVRONT handheld heat press. So this is the hat press right here. We have unboxed it together. Love the color, beautiful, loving it. It's like just, the color is just fire. I love HTVRONT because they do have amazing branding right here, if you can't tell. Like, they brand a lot of their products and they do a very good job. This is like a teal mint green type, and it's beautiful. So if you like today's video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and like I said, check out this video because we're going to be testing this out. I'm going to order some hats. Hopefully they come during this week. I'm going to try to order them today. If I don't order hats, I'm going to try ordering one. We'll probably run to Walmart, get something, because I didn't know this was coming. It came yesterday. Today's Sunday. So I was like, I got to do the unboxing video because I got to see how it looks. Oh, excuse me. I got to see how it looks, and I had to tell you guys. Y'all know me. When I get it, I got to tell y'all. Okay. Oh, I play so much. So, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.